golden morning bathes the Jamaican village, sunlight painting the vibrant scene with warmth and inviting light. Laughter of children intertwines with the songs of tropical birds, creating a symphony of joyful sounds. Palm trees sway gently in the warm breeze, their shadows dancing across the colorful landscape. Maya and Jaden play in the yard of their little yellow house, their laughter echoing in the air. The turquoise sea shimmers in the distance, a breathtaking backdrop to their carefree morning. Under the morning sun, Maya and Jaden stand on the beach, their eyes fixed on the turbulent sea. The waves crash with unusual ferocity, a stark contrast to their typical gentle rhythm. Restless and wild, the ocean's surface reflects a sense of foreboding, stirring unease. A silent exchange passes between Maya and Jaden, a shared acknowledgement of the sea's changed mood. The air is thick with anticipation as they brace themselves, sensing an impending shift in the elements. Mama Lou strides into the bright living room, flicking on the radio, an unspoken tension filling the air. Tropical storm Melissa is approaching Jamaica, the radio voice warns. Everyone, please stay safe indoors. Sunlight streams through the window, yet Maya sits frozen on the sofa, a half-finished drawing in her lap, her brow furrowed with worry. Maya glances up, the approaching storm casting a shadow over her youthful face. Inside Maya's cozy home, warmth radiates from the Caribbean colors. Maya's brow furrows with worry as she looks up at Mama Lou. "A storm, Grandma?" Maya asks, her voice laced with concern. Mama Lou responds with calm assurance, "Yes, my dear." "Jamaica has strong people. We always take care of each other," Mama Lou says. Jaden helps Mama Lou, their movements practiced and swift, as they gather clothes from the line under the watchful Sunday. Inside, Maya carefully packs their meager belongings: a flashlight, a book worn with love, and Mama Lou's mango jam. Each item is a silent promise of hope and resilience against the backdrop of uncertainty. The mango jam glows like a jar of sunshine. The afternoon air in the Jamaican village shifts as the wind picks up, rustling through the palm trees. Palm leaves tremble and dance wildly against the darkening sky, signaling an approaching storm. The first fat drops of rain begin to fall, splattering on the vibrant village grounds. A sudden downpour engulfs the village, transforming the tranquil scene into a lively spectacle of nature's power. Inside Maya's house, the family huddles together. They seek warmth as shadows dance on the walls. Outside, lights flicker erratically, hinting at a brewing storm. The distant rumble of thunder grows closer, more ominous. Each echoing boom heightens the family's shared tension. Rain lashes against the windows of Maya's cozy living room, a symphony of nature's raw power. With wide, curious eyes, Maya seeks comfort beside Mama Lou, whose presence radiates warmth and reassurance. "Grandma, will the storm go away soon?" Maya asks, her voice soft against the storm's fierce backdrop. Mama Lou gently assures, "Storms may come, but they don't last forever. And after every storm, the sun always shines again." Night deepens in Maya's house. The wind begins to calm, its fury gradually subsiding into a soft whisper. The relentless rain softens, transforming into a gentle drizzle against the window panes. Silence descends, broken only by the rhythmic patter of raindrops, a lullaby to the weary night. The storm's aftermath leaves a sense of tranquility, a peaceful interlude in the heart of the night. The sun breaks through, painting the Jamaican village in a golden light. Fresh air fills the scene, carrying the scent of rain-soaked earth and vibrant blossoms. Trees glisten with raindrops, their leaves shimmering like emeralds in the morning Sunday. A brilliant rainbow arcs across the sky, a promise of hope after the storm. Jamaica sparkles, reborn in the radiant light, a vibrant paradise awakened. Jaden and Maya burst from the house, their laughter echoing as they splash through puddles. Mama Lou waits, her smile welcoming as the children rush to her side, eager to help. Together, they gather fallen leaves, their small hands working alongside Mama Lou's. Toppled flower pots are righted, vibrant colors returning to the storm-swept garden. A sense of warmth and unity fills the air as they restore order to their little world. They approach Mr. Brown's house, a sense of unease hanging in the air as they intend to check on him and his family. A giant mango tree lies fallen in the yard, its branches sprawling messily across the once pristine lawn. Scattered mangoes, like fallen jewels, dot the green expanse, a testament to the storm's raw power. Amidst the chaos, Mr. Brown surveys the damage, his expression a mix of sorrow and resignation. Children appear, their small hands diligently gathering the scattered mangoes, bringing order to disorder. Miss Clara's weathered fence stands, a testament to time, with splintered planks telling silent stories of resilience. Sunlight warms Mama Lou as she kneels, a hammer her tool, determination etched on her face. With sturdy hands, Mama Lou sets to work, each strike of the hammer a note of defiance against decay. The rhythmic tap echoes, a steady pulse of renewal in the quiet morning air as Lou repairs the fence. Miss Clara watches on, a silent partnership of strength and care, mending more than just wood. Under the bright Jamaican sun, smiles light up every face. A vibrant village pulses with life, kindness radiating through the air. Everywhere, hands work together, building a community of warmth. Laughter echoes through the streets, a symphony of unity and joy. The island shines, reflecting the genuine spirit of its people. A bright tapestry of human connection unfolds in the Jamaican village. Golden light fills Maya's house as the sun sets, casting long shadows across the room. Dust motes shimmer in the air, creating an ethereal glow around Maya and Mama Lou. Maya, her eyes bright with curiosity, turns to Mama Lou with anticipation. "Grandma, I learned something today," Maya says, her voice filled with excitement. Mama Lou smiles warmly, her gaze soft and inviting. "What's that, my love?" she asks. Sunlight fills Maya's house, illuminating dust and warming Mama Lou's face. Maya's eyes reflect the bright morning as she speaks. "That when we help each other, even a storm can't stop Jamaica." Mama Lou smiles, her wisdom shining. "That's right, child. Together we are stronger than any storm." The wind whispers through the trees, a reminder of storms past and the enduring strength of love. Storms will come and go, but love, courage, and kindness always stay.